In this final lesson of the course, we will guide you on updating the pipeline to perform calculations using expression language. Ensure that the Academy Labs environment is up and running and that you have completed the first two parts of the pipeline. Let's start the final part by opening the previously created second part of the pipeline. Click the gear icon between Field Masker 1 and Snowflake 1. Then click on the plus icon to add stage. Search and select Field Type Converter. If the stages on the canvas are not arranged properly, click the Arrange option from the top menu to organize them on the canvas. Configure Field Type Converter 1 by going to the Conversion tab. Enter / in the Fields to Convert field and select Units Sold from the populated list. Similarly, enter / in the Fields to Convert field and select Manufacturing Price. Also, select the Sales Price field path. Choose Convert to Type as Decimal from the drop-down list. Scroll down and click plus Add Another. As we did previously, select Sales Date and Time field path from Fields to Convert. Convert this field as Date Time by choosing Date Time format from the Convert to Type drop-down list. Choose Others as the Date format from the drop-down list. Enter the Other Date format as given here to generate a custom Date Time format. Click the gear icon between Field Type Converter 1 and Snowflake 1. Then click on the plus icon to add a stage. Search and select Expression Evaluator. Click Expression Evaluator 1 to configure. Go to the Expressions tab and enter Net Sale Value in the Output field. In the field expression, input the given expression after the /. If you need field path details at any time, go to the schema and find what you are looking for. If you don't see the schema, it means it's not generated. Simply run a preview to generate the schema from the preview data. Copy the respective field path from the schema or preview stage and paste it into the expression to avoid typo errors. In this expression, we multiply the units sold by the sales price to get the net sale value. Click plus Add Another to calculate the profit field with the next expression. Enter the given expression after the / character. As we did earlier, go to the schema and copy the respective field. Now let's convert the date time field based on the time zone using expression language. To do that, click plus Add Another and enter the output field name as date and time _ converted to UTC. Remove the default expression and enter the given expression. Create a new field using attributes in an expression. Here, we are creating a field called Department. In this example, the data is received from the sales department, and the file name is salesdatafinal.csv. The word sales from the file name should be stored in the department field. Enter the given expression to achieve this. With this, our final pipeline is complete and ready to send a stream of fine-tuned data from the local directory to Snowflake. Let's validate and preview to check for any configuration errors. Once you see a preview without any errors, close the preview and run the pipeline. Before running it, check the Snowflake account to see if our table exists or not. According to the on-screen text, there is no such table in the Snowflake database. Now it's time to run the pipeline. Click Start Pipeline from the Draft Run drop-down list. It takes a few seconds to complete. Once you see the status changing from running to finished, it means the pipeline has stopped by the Pipeline Finisher executor once the data reading is completed. Let's go back to Snowflake and see whether the fine-tuned data flowed from the local directory to Snowflake. Rerun the previous entered command to see the change. Now we can see the table with all calculated fields. We have successfully created the pipeline, which sends fine-tuned and calculated data from the local directory to Snowflake. Thanks for watching.